Hi Gaurav, what do you think about the online insurance segment in India? What kind of growth do you see in the online space?
Yeah, I think the online channel has a lot of potential. We are really excited about how this channel has evolved in the last couple of years. I think for us specifically, we are seeing a lot of mirroring of what's happening in the West, in the developed markets and in India. So as the infrastructure improves and as more and more people go online, we are seeing a lot of interest in buying products online today. So whether it's, travel tickets, whether it's insurance products, whether it's other financial services, a lot of transactions are today happening online. The interesting thing is even the kind of consumers who are shopping online today is a lot of SEC, A, B, and C kind of customers who are really looking at this channel. And that makes it very prudent for us as an insurance company to be targeting them. The other interesting thing that we are seeing is that people are trusting websites more and more than their friends, more than their family. They are also going to websites for comparison. So for example, on the insurance space, there are websites like Policy Bazaar, which are being used for comparison of insurance plans. And that's an interesting development. What it's done to the category is it's made insurance plans much cheaper. So, for example, Aviva iLife, which is a product that we've recently launched, has seen a great deal of traction online. As soon as we launched it, we've seen very good sales numbers. But more importantly, customers are seeing a lot of benefits. So, simple things like a 1 crore term cover can cost you as low as 8,000 rupees if you're a 30-year-old male non-smoker today. Now, that's incredibly low in comparison to, the kind of rates that we've seen in the past.
Gaurav, you said that you've recently launched iLife. How has the response been to the product since it's a pure online term plan?
Yeah. So I think the response has been excellent. If you see the numbers initially, we've launched this product only in May this year. And in the first 2 months of launch itself, or first 3 months rather, we've seen close to 5,000 applications done for the product. That speaks a lot in terms of the interest that the product has generated, the interest that the category has today. So you have close to 6 or 7 players in the insurance space who are offering insurance plans online today. And Aviva iLife has managed to create a distinctive segment for itself because it is extremely competitive in its pricing. I would go so far as to say it's one of the cheapest plans in the market. And when it comes to pure term cover, all you're looking for is the simplicity of purchase as well as the best possible price.
Can you tell us the process for buying an Aviva iLife?
Sure. Aviva iLife is a really simple product to buy. Because it's available on the online channel, we wanted to make sure that simplicity was one of the key things that we deliver. So all you really have to do is go to our website, www.avivaindia.com. On going to the website, you will see a section saying Aviva iLife. There you have two options. You can either click on the No More section, which will take you to a page where it will tell you a little bit more about the product and its features. The second thing that you can do is go straight away to the Buy Now section. When you click on Buy Now, there is a calculator that helps you calculate the premium that you have to pay and also helps you fill the whole form which is available online. Once you fill the form, you make the payment and you can also upload your documents online itself. Now the thing to note is that Aviva iLife is available for a minimum sum assured of 25 lakhs and is also available for a policy term which is a maximum of 35 years. Now that's very good because it gives you the option, even as a 35-year-old, to have your life covered till the age of 70 at a very, very nominal price. The other thing that we've built into the product is that we have differentiated rates for smokers and non-smokers. Now this helps you get a better deal because if you are a non-smoker, then you're entitled to get benefits for that because there is a lesser risk to your health. As a female as well, you get benefits because female lives are seen to be healthier and have a longer longevity. So I think overall it's a very simple process which just involves you doing everything online. Post completion of the process online, there is an offline process where you have to go for a medical, but that also is waived off for a lot of cases where the sum assured is less than 50 lakh rupees. So as far as the product is concerned, it's a very simple product to buy, and I would urge you that if you would be interested in a term plan, then this is the way to go.
What makes the online term plans cheaper than the offline products?
See, online term plans basically are available online, and hence we are taking away the whole distribution aspect of offline plans. That's largely what makes the products cheaper. The other element that goes into it is the profile of the customer who's buying the product. When a customer is buying it online, the likelihood of his education, of his profession being better than someone who's buying it probably offline is higher. And since the customer is making most of the choices himself, we can ascertain a better quality of life to that person, and hence, it works out to be a little cheaper than offline plans. The important thing to keep in mind is that for any online plan, you must disclose as much as possible regarding any existing health conditions that you have. Even things like consumption of tobacco or consumption of alcohol should be disclosed. This will only ensure that if and when, God forbid, your policy has to come up for any sort of a claim settlement, that there is no delay or there is no issues that come up at that time. So whenever applying online, make sure that you're disclosing everything that's related to your health at that particular point in time.
Many insurance companies are offering online products these days. How does Aviva iLife plan to distinguish itself in such a scenario?
Okay, I think there are 7 companies today that offer insurance plans online. Aviva iLife I think, distinguishes itself because it is definitely one of the most competitive plans available there. When you're buying a term insurance plan, there are really 2 important things to keep in mind. A is the reputation of the company, and B is the prices at which the product is offered. I think on both these counts, Aviva iLife scores very well. Aviva has an excellent claim management record, as well as the credibility of being a very well-known organization in India as well as internationally. And Aviva iLife as a product has been priced really, really competitively because we wanted to give customers the best product in this space in the market. So I think both these factors really help create a clear differentiation. Also, in terms of the way the product is, the way the policy servicing for the product is done, it's very simple. The whole application process is simple. The whole underwriting process is simple. The medical process, the policy issuance process has been simplified to a very, very great degree. So we believe that when a customer is applying for this product, he's applying for it in a totally hassle-free manner, and he's getting the best possible deal. And that's why we believe it's the right product for most customers who are looking for a term plan today.